Khasi Dominic Secondary School Nongrah kalayok ban pelong ya ka Mini Fete haplau jong kaning school. Bar kathong kalong ban kner jingerap chikna school ki bawan na kilong yeng long sem ki baduk. Ya kini ka Mini Fete lawan ban khap ribon du MLA kanong Thumai constituency ba Charles Pingrop kum kongsan harikat ke jingan lang MDC badiru CM ke KCDC ba penyai sing CM Brigadier William Sturgeon principal ke school Sister Gigi George nang tau parish priest ka Nongrah Father Theophilus Sotun ki dekat ke managing committee jong ke school kirang ba balang kinang ilam snong bat ki basyak khat sangba ba Charles samba ajing kren lai kublei ya ke bajudan benda ban senyang ya ke ni school ke belala ban kiu ha ke kerdan puli badul ai ke kudo ba ke ni school kala ban kiu chaprang ha ki benta ki bobon uba penyai sing CM ha ke jingkren long ban nakaliang ke KHDC kumba ke julet nak kapor ban kentiwi ki school kanang kloy binya trelang ba ban kner ki jingerap syakani school bakan kiu hakilan bapher na way snam show way pan.
These are the champion, overall champion and winners during our school sports. Okay, now the third prize winner, Red House, teachers in charge, Miss Bynta of Thank you so much, sir.
This Mini Fete, and may you raise a lot of money for the school, for the development of the school, and I'm sure all those benefactors who are here have contributed tremendously for the day to happen and the school to exist. May God bless them all. With these few words, I declare the fete open and let us enjoy. Thank you.
Long ban raise fund na kamenta ki jingdon kam java school hakiliang barot. So puram ru jingdon lang i father parish priest Father Theo Sotun i deacon kirang ba balang but ki bobol ki riurang ba bakong san i don ru hangi rang ba shnong i ba Dennis Lenra i rang ba dong ba William Bengrove i don ru i Brigadier William Sturgeon nanta i ba war but kiwi kirang ba ki don lang hangi na so ban ai kuplay kerpang ya ka managing committee na ru i president baro ki members ki bla shim ya ka rai ban pynlong ya ka Mini Fete but ai kuplay kerpang ru i kinohikai but baro ki students na ru ki baret hadu ki blasan ki badan hangni po school ya ka ba pinyo ban shim mentah ka Mini Fete nga ai ka jingkit bok ketwen ba ka Mini Fete kan long ka ba job hani ka singi baka jing tmu jong ka school managing committee kan yo ban khet yo so te na ai kuplay ru na kan ta baro ki no shimenta ki kme ki pa ki parashnong paradong ki badan hangme na kalyang jungi ru kum ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kum bagi ju yarap hi na ka Khubor ban a jing yarap ki school ban long ka jing mentoy habi day ba ka jing shakri ban tenang pen start iki khun jo ki shnong na kamenta ka jing mentoy ka pulia puthi ki jongki na kalyang jungi ru ngin yai beteng ban ya don ringkat ba ka school hangni ba ka ni ka school kanang pau kanang kiu haki snam ki banwan tetang kini kentien sai sien ngai khublei kerpang epi barok khublei chido.
I'm also a student of St. Don Bosco's Shillong, St. Anthony's College. And St. Don Bosco gave a very important message for young boys and girls. Run, jump, play, shout, but don't sin. Run, jump, play, shout, but don't sin. This was the message of St. Don Bosco to his boys. So I like to convey the same message to you with one more message. When you study, don't study too long and too hard. Study intelligently. Study little but study intelligently. Absorb what you all are reading, what you are studying. Don't study by heart just to pass. If you study and remember, it will help you in life. So remember these words. Thank you very much. God bless you for calling me and giving me this chance to talk to you. Thank you.